My name is Leo Rabele. I'm the new owner of Buca Bay Resort from California, and I'm an environmental scientist, and my background's in oceanography and marine resource management. And so over the years I've done a lot of different environmental consulting work, mostly in America. Why did we choose Buca Bay, my wife and I, and it's because really the location is very unique. We're in between, Taveuni and Savu Savu, so we kind of have access from both areas, which is quite unique. And then of course we're also so close to the Rainbow Reef. So we're 10-15 minute boat ride to some of the best diving spots in the world. And unlike some of the other resorts, they have to travel across the straits every day when they go diving. So we actually do that trek once. We get the tourists here, and then it's a 10-minute boat ride to the dive spots. And we also have 100 acres of virgin rainforest, and so people can explore on their own. We have incredible starry skies. We're actually going to be building a star observation deck where we have a telescope set up, and just things like that, where to really experience the beauty that Buca Bay has to offer, being away from other sources of light pollution, and then being in this nice little enclave in a beautiful bay, which is very just feels very private for people as well. Welcome to Buca Bay. Hello, Leo.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hazel.
Hazel, nice to meet you.
Hello, Hazel. I'm William.
We're looking at Sarah. Welcome to Buca Bay.
It's great. It's absolutely fantastic because we spent months, it's been 6 months planning and working through all the different approvals and working with the previous owner, who's been fantastic. Oh, welcome. Come on in.
Usually before COVID, you have a lot of guests, okay?
Well, we just bought the resort just not long ago, so we're reopening now. So you're the first ones after reopening.
Your first official guest. Welcome.
Thank you.
I have very limited experience, being relatively new in the whole tourism industry, but I can say a couple things. One is being part of the Fiji Tourism Exchange was an amazing experience. Not only because it's a big eye-opener for me, being a newcomer to the tourism industry, but also because you can tell how much the Fijian government has invested in that particular event, and just having the Prime Minister there and doing the opening remarks and just being engaged. And just the buzz that was there was incredible. And you can tell that the tourism industry is ready to go, and we can feel it. We can see it from the bookings and from the inquiries. And the other thing I want to say is the process, even though it took a few months to get to a point where we were able to get approvals, was quite streamlined. We really felt it wasn't the government holding things up. It was quite quick. It was just the normal process of having so many different things we had to do. That's what took 6 months. It's not the individual. So each approval was quite quick, and we got very quick turnaround. And I think that really helped. It helped the seller, and it helped us as a buyer, and it allowed us to do the transition very quickly and to start opening the doors.
Hazel, I'm from Singapore, and
I'm Ken from Singapore.
first time in
First
Fiji.
time, yes.
I feel very welcome, especially with the singing and the vocals.
Yeah.
They are very welcoming as well. They serve us coconut drink on our way here.
They're
Do
very
anything.
they're very friendly, and everybody seems very happy. So when we reached here, right, we came with a smile and totally enjoyed it. Yeah.
I want to dive, so I was choosing Fiji or Maldives. But Fiji have an edge over Maldives because of the people around here. Yeah. So I wanted to go to Rainbow Reef and the zoo, and South Bay is just 10 minutes drive from here. So South Bay.
To be frank, in our country, not many people know of Fiji. Yeah, so I think it's a very good way to actually, when you open up, so people will come for the dives, for the hospitality. Everywhere we go, we will hear Bula. Yeah, so it's very welcoming. So I think hopefully more people will actually realize that Fiji is actually a very wonderful destination to go to. Yeah.
Why we choose Fiji over Maldives? One of the reasons was the people. Everyone smile. They are so happy with their life, or they look happy. And on the street when we're walking, they say Bula, and two words that we learn: Bula and Binaka. Every day we heard these two common words. I don't think you can hear this in the resort, the Maldives as well. Yeah.
Yes. We didn't have a very clear idea of Fiji, to be frank, at the start. Okay, so we were quite surprised, okay, when we see the passionate people laughing, talking to us, very warm to us. And especially when we came here, we were quite shocked that at first we need to walk through into the water, then welcomed by the people. I've seen this in videos, but never happened to me before. Yeah, so it was a very truly memorable experience.